Pit na gamay.
Sa after flapping your toe,
Ay, mami.
make a leap.
Ate mo, circle, baby. Wanna make it a cycle? Uy, hurot yun yung English ba?
Make it circle.
Oh, may kisar ko.
Will help you.
Come on, circle.
Pagkuha na ni Ban?
What is the instruction?
Sige, ulit ta. Sige, sige pa.
Paano ko nabigyan ng instruction?
Leap.
Right, okay siya yung circle. Ano Ban?
Kung nga, put into your pizza.
So after putting a leap, put your dough into a screen.
Kuya mo, man ang screen. Oh, screen to put. Oh, circle na yan. Oh, circle para mapay mo mo ngayon. Oh, forma na iya oh. Wow, very good. Oh, okay. Okay, wait lang na sa instruction video. Oh.
Butang yung flower, bro. Butang yung flower. Eh, flat here. Flat here.
Oh, nalito ka dito kami sa tubol.
Ah, sorry. Lalit na. Lalit. It's okay. It's okay. The sauce. Pizza sauce. Are you okay na? Ito flat here.
Ay, ano ba hindi ko?
Ano? The fork. Wow. Fork, ate fork.
Careful lang ha, kay mas
Slowly.
slowly din.
Go.
Oh, dili po sa pikas.
Kala ni Pipi.
Baro sila.